Oh, it's always good to see the sunshine. Quite a tale of two stories going on across the area, though. At noontime today, some spots getting hit pretty hard with the snow again. Hey, bring it on. More the merrier, right? Just grabbed this NITEC shot from the Dunkirk camera along the thruway, and as you can see, it is very snowy down in that direction right now, and that snow definitely accumulating on the thruway, the Route 5 corridor down through Chautauqua County. There is definitely some slow going on as of the noon hour. Dan just sent this picture in from Forestville Elementary School, and look at the park benches there in the foreground in front of the gym. You can see that the snow is really piling up there, at least down in Forestville and across much of the Dunkirk-Fredonia area down into Gowanda as well. And now heading up to the Wilson Boat Harbor, and it has been a very snowy scene along the south shore of Lake Ontario. The snow across the Lake Ontario counties has weakened as I expected it to, and it's starting to shift a little bit further northward, and that trend will continue this afternoon. On 401 Doppler, there's the last of the Lake Ontario activity, which is pushing a little bit further out into the lake now. Still kind of brushing northern sections of Niagara County, but this is going to be the main focus, at least for the afternoon. Some of these darker blue shades coming in off the lakeshore, Dunkirk, Fredonia, through Silver Creek into Gowanda, putting down some pretty hefty rates of snowfall, quite possibly anywhere from an inch to maybe as much as 2 inches in some spots. Now, if you were with us on Wake Up this morning, after about an hour being on the air and monitoring this, I said, you know, I'm going to up the ante on this, and I did. I bumped it up to about 2 to 4 inches, but now it looks like it's going to be turning out to be more like 4 to 7 inches, as this activity is going to persist a bit longer this afternoon before it starts to weaken getting into the evening hours and then shifting northward through the Buffalo Metro. Well, as we take a look at the satellite picture of the region at noontime, in between some of these lake effect areas, the sun has broken out quite nicely, and we're enjoying that around the city of Buffalo and the surrounding suburbs at noontime. There's that lake snow advisory in effect for southern Erie, Chautauqua, Cattaraugus County until 4 this afternoon for locally heavy snow, and the Super Microcast doing an excellent job depicting that across the ski country to the south of the city initially this afternoon, but by later this afternoon and getting into the evening, it really starts to weaken. This latest model doesn't even really pass this activity through the Buffalo Metro, but I still think there may be some lake effect snow showers with generally an inch or less of accumulation around the city overnight as that activity moves further to the north. Now, toward tomorrow morning, we get into widespread light snow across the area, 1 to 3 inches, with a southwest wind off the lake in the afternoon, possibility of some lake enhancement, especially in the southern suburbs of Buffalo and down to the ski country, where amounts could be 2 to 4 inches out of this. Amounts drop off again here across the northern tier counties of PA. That will diminish to snow showers tomorrow night, and we'll be left with scattered snow showers across the area on Sunday. Right now, 22 in Buffalo, 18 down at Bradford, and the wind chill 13 in Buffalo, 11 degrees down here at Bradford for the afternoon. The sunset time 5:06, and this afternoon partly sunny. Just a passing flurry in the metro, but the lake snow showers well to the south and to the north continue. 4 to 7 inches in the ski country, and the temps 20 to 26 degrees. The overnight snow showers weaken and move northward. Cloudy, more widespread light snow develops region-wide toward morning, 14 to 19. Light snow across the area tomorrow, maybe a few moderate bursts in the afternoon. Accumulations 1 to 3 inches, 2 to 4 in the south towns and the ski country, less toward northern PA, 25 to 29. Scattered snow showers on Sunday with high temperatures in the lower 20s, and another widespread storm heads our way later Monday, getting into Monday night and Tuesday. Looks like a mixture of precipitation on Tuesday with a temperature up around 35 degrees.
Going skiing at KB this weekend should be good.
Oh, it's going to be great.
Excellent. I'll call you.
Okay, please do.
Thanks, Mike.